This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Karen Timmer. Wonderful 2-story condo with great flowing floor plan, westerly views overlooking Homestead's premier golf course. Perfectly placed on private cul-de-sac for quiet living yet close to walking trails, restaurants, golf and pro shop, parks, just minutes to historic downtown Lynden and more. Gourmet kitchen west/granite, shaker-style cabinets, hardwood floors, open to charming dining and cozy living room with vaulted ceiling and gas fplc, access to spacious patio. Main floor master suite with walk-in closet, separate walk-in shower and soaking tub. Second floor leads to upstairs landing overlooking main floor would serve as great home office, full main bath, bonus room and second bedroom. Also featuring AC and tons of storage.